During a hearing test, your hearing care professional will do a visual examination of your ears, a series of tests including asking you to respond to pure tones and repeat words using headphones, bone conduction oscillators, and even speakers. Some may also perform a test called tympanometry to measure the health of your middle ear. Your hearing care professional will then discuss the results with you and make recommendations tailored to your unique hearing loss and lifestyle needs.